Hello students, let us try to understand the decarboxylation reaction, dear students. So if you talk about the decarboxylation reaction, students, so what is the D? D means simply you can say that is removal, okay? And what is the carboxylation is there, student? Carboxylation means carboxylic group, okay? That is removal of carboxylic group. That is, if you are removing the carboxylic group, that is what is known as the decarboxylation, dear students, right? How to understand this reaction, students? What is the theory behind it? So theory I am writing: when sodium salt of carboxylic acid, carboxylic acid is treated with sodium salt of carboxylic acid is treated with what you are going to treat it, student? Sodium salt of carboxylic acid is treated with soda lime, okay? Soda lime. Then what is happen? If sodium salt of carboxylic acid is treated with soda lime, what is, student? NaOH plus CaO. Then lower alkane, okay, lower alkane going to be formed, student. Lower alkane formed. Then lower alkane formed, okay? So this is what the condition is, students. If you are using the sodium salt of soda lime, it is got removed, student. Soda lime, NaOH plus CaO, then lower alkane formed, student. Lower alkane formed. So this is what is the condition. Now you see, student, CH3COONA is there, and you are going to treat with the NaOH plus CaO, right? So how the product is going to form, student? Here you see Na2CO3, this is going to form Na2CO3 plus CH4. So CH4 gas will form. Here you see that is 2 carbon are there, 1 and 2, but here how many are there? Only one product is formed. So that is a lower alkane, right, students? What we have to do, student, if you want to understand the mechanism, so a very simple mechanism is there. If you see, student, mechanism. So here we are having that is CH3COONA. So you do the ionization in the water, so it will form CH3COO. Here is O minus plus Na plus, right, student? Here you see, students, what will happen in this total scenario. Here is CH3 C double bond O, and here you can see, student, O negative charge is there. And what will happen? This negative charge is going to be here, and so this is going to be here. So how the this is the RDS step, redetermine step, and this is the slow. So that is carbon dioxide is formed, and CH3, this is minus is getting formed, students. CH3 minus will form, and along with that CO2. Now, students, now this R minus getting treat with the HOH, okay, means R minus means what you can say, that is CH3 minus, okay, that is CH3 minus. So it is going to combine here. So it is forming what, student? This is forming that is CH4 and OH minus. Of this OH minus, here is what is there in the here, Na. So this is going to combine. So here is Na plus OH minus, it will give, that is what, student? NaOH. So our product will be what? That is alkane. So this is what our mechanism is, student, for the Kolbe decarboxylation. Thank you, student. Thank you for watching.